Dear students, today we will see the topic carminatives and gastrointestinal regulators. Under this topic, our drug is ginger. The objective behind this topic is that after completion, you would be able to know about the monograph of ginger. Ginger belongs to synonym Zanzibar or Zanzibaris. In Marathi, it is also known as Ala or Adrak. Biologically, it is a fresh as well as dried, peeled or unpeeled rhizomes of Zanzibar officinale, which belongs to family Zanzibaraceae. Its organoleptic characteristics are color is buff colored, odor is agreeable and aromatic, taste is agreeable and pungent, size is about 5 to 15 centimeter in length, 1.5 to 6.5 centimeter in thickness as well as in wider. Shape is laterally compressed as shown in the picture, bearing short, flat, ovate and oblique branch of the upper side with a bud at the apex. Fracture is short. Its microscopical structure is shown in the diagram. After transverse section, you will visualize like this, showing the different layers as outer cork, inner cork, oleoresin cells, starch grains, fibrovascular bundles, xylem vessels, fibers, vascular bundles, and starch. In the microscopical structure, we will visualize the layers shown in the picture, that is cork, outer cork, inner cork in cortex, oleoresin cells are there, starch grains and cortex is there, fibrovascular bundles are also there, xylem vessels are also there, fibers are also there. Also the same structure you will observe here in case of ground tissue also, that is vascular bundles and starch are there. Chemically, ginger contains 0.25 to 3% of volatile oil, 5 to 8% of the resinous matter and starch. Volatile oil contains is zanzibarin as a main constituent, gingerol which is a pungent principle. In its chemical test, if you boil the drug with 2% of potassium hydroxide solution, you can have, we will get that the pungency of gingerol is destroyed. Ginger is no more pungent after boiling with this 2% of potassium hydroxide. In the uses of ginger, it is a carminative, stomachic, flavoring agent and is stored with coated with lime to improve the color and the quality. Hence, this variety is also known as limed ginger as it is coated by lime. In summary of this class, see what we have learned. We have seen the monograph of ginger, that is ginger is a dried as well as fresh, peeled unpeeled rhizomes of Zanzibar officinalis, belongs to family Zanzibaraceae, which contains volatile oil, zanzibarin as a main constituent and is used as carminative and spice. Under the quiz question, very first quiz question, ginger belongs to family Zanzibaraceae, Leguminosae, Solanaceae, Umbelliferae, and our correct answer is Zanzibaraceae. Very second quiz question is, ginger is used as antipyretic, carminative, antidiabetic and antiviral. Our correct answer is carminative. Very third quiz is, ginger contains alkaloids, glycosides, volatile oils, saponins, and our correct answer is volatile oils. Next quiz question, ginger is a volatile oil containing rhizome crude drug. Your answer is yes or no. So it is yes. Very second question. Where will be fibrovascular bundles are present in the ginger? In cortex, in ground tissue, and your correct answer is in ground tissue. Very third question. Where will be the oleoresin cells present in ginger? In cortex, in ground tissue, both, or fourth is none. And your correct answer is both, in cortex as well as in ground tissue. Frequently asked questions under this topic is, very first, give one example of carminative and mention the biological source, active constituents and uses of one drug. Second question, state the biological source, family, chemical constituents and uses of ginger